How to summarize YouTube videos on ChatGPT. Hi guys, let's get started. In order to summarize YouTube videos with ChatGPT, there's a specific plugin called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT, and that can be used for this purpose. So head to your preferred web browser and just type down YouTube Summary with ChatGPT in the search bar. Now open the link. Once the site opens up, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now all you need to do is tap on Add to Chrome button right here next to it, and then tap on Add Extension. Once it's been added to Chrome, open up any random YouTube video, and you'll notice that the plugin adds a transcript of the video to the YouTube interface. And users can jump to current time, copy the transcript, or view an AI summary. The AI summary feature loads the transcript to a new chat and automatically summarizes it. Click right here, the ChatGPT icon. There you go. This can save time and help with the research by allowing you to quickly identify the most important parts of a video. So that's it. This was the tutorial on how to summarize YouTube videos on ChatGPT. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.